Problem 833 for the flashlight company. As you can see, there are several parts that we're going to have to answer for this question. So we'll do each one in a very methodical way. We're given the fact that this company can get a 2% discount if they pay within 10 days, or they can pay without taking the discount at 70 days, so interest-free for 60 days. The bank will loan the money for the 60 days for an interest cost of $5,500. Now, in this particular case, in part A, what we're doing is the bank will charge $5,500 in interest for a 60-day loan of $300,000. We plug those numbers into the formula, we wind up with an interest rate of 11.15%. So that's $300,000 plus $5,500 of interest for 60 days is just over 11% annualized interest. Now, part B, 2% discount for 60 days. So the 70 days, which is the end of the discount period, the interest-free period, sorry, minus 10 days, which is the end of the discount period. So the interest-free is 60 days from 10 to 70. That is an annualized rate of 12.41%. So that would be your gain or your benefit. So would you borrow money from part A at 11.15% in order to be able to earn 12.14%? This is the answer for C, yes, because you would gain just over 1%, 1.26% to be exact. Part D, if the bank requires a 15% compensating balance. So what that means is you need $300,000 net, but you need to borrow more than that because remember, the 15% you can't touch. They're going to charge you interest on the higher amount, but you're only going to get $300,000. So how much money do you need? You simply divide the $300,000 by 1 minus the compensating balance. So in this case, it winds up being 300,000 divided by 85%. So $352,941.18 is how much you need to borrow. If you multiply that by 85%, you will wind up at $300,000, which we will use. That's the real amount that they're going to charge you interest on. In part E, right, we're now being charged $6,850. There's a 20% compensating balance. And so you're only going to get 80% of the funds. And we plug the numbers into the formula. So the interest of $6,850 on the amount that we actually have of $300,000 is, for 60 days, turns out to be 13.89%. And so it says, no, do not borrow with a compensating balance of 15%.